से मार दिया यार उसके सर को, पूरा खून निकल रहा है उसके सर से।
हम झुकने वाले नहीं हैं।
कुछ हो जाता मैं घर पे क्या के आया था, माँ में प्रोटेस्ट में, अगर मुझे कुछ हो जाता मेरी माँ क्या कहती।
लाठी से बहुत मारा उनको, बहुत आदमी को लाठी से पुलिस मार रहा है।
जब बच्चे बैरिकेडिंग तोड़ने की कोशिश किए तो वहाँ पे सबको करंट शॉक दिया गया, हर एक बच्चा गिर गया वहाँ पे, 30 सेकंड तक सबको करंट शॉक दिया गया।
सर पे मार रहे हैं, पैर पे मार रहे हैं और लेडीजों के कपड़ा भी फाड़ रहे हैं दिल्ली पुलिस।
लाठी से मार दिया यार उसके सर को।
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are fine and I hope you guys are supporting Sonam Wangchuk, because today we're going to talk about the protest and whatever happened at the protest. Because firstly, I hate those people who are just bashing Sonam Wangchuk and saying pathetic and illogical things like chicken soup hoga and everything and bathroom mein jaake kha rahe honge. I mean, come on. If you don't have the guts to stand against the government, at least have some respect for the people who are doing it, for you, for your children, and for the people जिसकी भी जिंदगी जा सकती है because of the education system. And it is not a joke. 20 people have died. 20 students have taken their own life because of the paper leak and because of the education system. And literally, like, we are not asking for anything which is unreasonable. We are just asking for our rights. And especially जो हुआ protest में, I think that triggered me a lot because unfortunately I cannot be a part of that protest. But the least that I can do is speak about it, so I'm doing that. And as the protest is going on, it literally teared me up when I watched those clips of students getting beaten by the police. And not only beaten, they are also getting shocks. They're also getting the tear gas. I mean, it is so unnecessary. Isn't it our fundamental right to protest? And it was also very peaceful protest. But leave that. जो लड़कियां हैं जो प्रोटेस्ट कर रही है उनके कपड़े तक फाड़े जा रहे हैं, एंड दैट इज द क्लिप्स ऑन द इंटरनेट which are available. People are claiming that जो उधर प्रोटेस्ट में है, and I'm going to show you all those clips. And there are many YouTubers that went, there are many content creators that went, and they're also recording everything. So we also have the proof. So is it because the police is also under those ministers, that's why they need to listen to the minister? Is it because of that, or is it because of the police only, or it is because of the higher authorities order? I do not know. I mean, the possibility is mostly more of the second point that I've given to you guys. Obviously, there are many clips that are getting viral of the Prime Minister leaving the Parliament, and obviously they're not going to stay silent. And maybe this was their way to stop the protest, which has not really worked. People are still going to protest, and the hunger strike is still going on. And I really feel proud of Sonam Wangchuk being there, because obviously he's a scientist, he's a well-known scientist, and thank God to the movie Three Idiots, though now Amir Khan is claiming that he didn't even know who was Sonam Wangchuk and everything. But ironically, he was the host of Satyam Vijayate type of show, and it is so like ironical, and like this kind of people are, you know, getting all those fame by the audience, and they are the same people who are now hesitating to stand up with the youth of the country, and they are the people who are considered to be icons and considered to inspirations and whatnot. And on the other hand, Sonam Wangchuk also could have done the same thing. He could have gone to the podcast and given a podcast on this, and कुछ भी politically line वो बोल देते हैं, and वो रील कट के हम लोग उनको followers दे देते हैं, ठीक है. But standing up for the youth, you know, doing a hunger strike or doing a protest, these all things require a lot of courage. And even हम जेनजी लोग भी नहीं थे तब तक, हम जेनजी लोग भी बहुत बाद में ज्वाइन किया सोनम वांगचुक सर को, एंड बहुत बाद में we came as a youth. हमें तो भूल भी गए थे कि नीट पेपर लीक हुआ है, हमने तो सब चुप बैठे थे. He had given us all the courage, he has given us all the guts to speak against the government, and he was the first person to start this. I don't know where were the people who are speaking against CGP. Like, where you guys were waiting for CGP to join, and then you can make this whole thing into just CGP versus BJP or Hindu versus Muslim. Were you guys waiting for this shit? और तब क्यों कहा था जब ये सब CGP ज्वाइन नहीं किया था हमें, तब कहा थे तुम लोग, तब तुम लोग you guys were silent, we're not supporting any of us, because obviously we guys even know that we are correct. Just because CGP has joined, now you have made this whole thing into CGP versus BJP.
कौन है ये? एक शिक्षाविद है. कोई शिक्षाविद नहीं है, ये चाइना का एजेंट है. ये चाइना का एजेंट है, चाइना उसको फंडिंग करता है, दिल्ली में आके धरना देता है, देश को बदनाम करता है। ऐसे लोगों को नेस्ते नाबूद कर देंगे और भारतीय जनता पार्टी के शासन में नहीं चलने। अरे सोनम वांगचुक ये एजेंट है चाइना का। ये कोई देश के लिए कौन सा विषय, किस विषय के लिए कर रहा है वो किस विषय के लिए धरना कर रहा है बताइए आप। कौन है ये सोनम वांगचुक, कौन है?
Okay, so before ending this video, I just want to say one thing कि guys, अनभक्तों से बात करके उनको अपना जस्टिफिकेशन देना है, उनको अपनी बात और लॉजिक समझाने का कोशिश मत करना, उतना टाइम वेस्ट मत करो अपना। We just need to use our voice at the right places, not by fighting to all this unbhakt. They will not understand. They have already मान के बैठ गए हैं वो भगवान किसी को, एंड दे विल नॉट लिसन एनीथिंग बैड अबाउट देयर गॉड. सो इट्स हाई टाइम शुड स्टॉप, यू नो, बिकॉज बहुत सारे पोस्ट है ऐसे जो पोस्ट कर रहे हैं, उनके नीचे पीपल आर कमेंटिंग दैट एंटी नेशनल, हिंदू मुस्लिम. गाइस, इट्स नॉट अबाउट हिंदू मुस्लिम, इट्स नॉट अबाउट बीजेपी कांग्रेस, इट्स नॉट अबाउट सीजेपी, इट्स अबाउट us students. Let me make that clear once again. And to the people who were present at the protest, who were protesting for us, I just have nothing but immense respect for you guys. It has taken like a lot of courage on your end to be present there, to, you know, stand at this heat and to raise their voice. Like hours standing there and raising your voice for the students, for the youth of the country, believing that the change is possible. And especially, you know, even standing after all the bashing and all that, like tear gas tak chale gaye the, shock tak chale gaye the, like even after that people were not, you know, stopped doing the protest and they believed in themselves. And that I just have immense respect for you guys and all the people who want a change. Please at least speak up, at least put a story on your Instagram, at least share the post. It is the least that we can do. Trust me guys, because they are fighting for us, and at least if we are supporting them, we should at least put up a story, or we should at least talk about it. And that's it. I hope you guys take care and the authorities finally listens to us. I hope so, and I hope at least Sonam Wangchuk's life gets saved. And that's it. Thank you for watching.